All right, so I recently tweeted a comment about just noticing that there seemed to be more instructional design and e-learning job positions being shared in Twitter. And I was really surprised at how many emails and direct messages I received asking how did I come across those or what was I searching for to find those job positions. So I kind of wanted to share with you just how I set up some of my Twitter searches and show you how I came across those terms, and then even show you another way you can use just the web-based version of Twitter to search for e-learning and instructional design jobs. So I do like TweetDeck. It's a nice way to kind of monitor a lot of keywords across a single screen, which is really helpful. This is kind of condensed down here on only 3 columns, but normally I have this a lot wider and I can see about 8 or 9 columns. So all I do is set up searches around just keywords in our industry. So this is a new version of TweetDeck. So let me add a new column. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to add a search column. And the search column that I came across, or at least that I've been seeing those jobs posted in, has been my e-learning search phrases. So what I would do is type in the hashtag e-learning, right? Because a lot of the positions will include the hashtag, which is really helpful. Then I type in or. And that's because I want to look for different variations of e-learning. So I might even type in just the straight e-learning, then type in maybe even hyphenated e-learning, to see if anyone specifically typed it like that. Now I'm not going to add this because I already have this column right here. I think you can see it down here, e-learning or e-learning. And that's where I'm seeing a lot of them come through. But if you wanted to actually search specifically for e-learning jobs, what I would look for is the word e-learning, and then a comma, and then job. I'd probably just use job rather than jobs. That way both would show up. And if I add this search column, check this out. It's going to add another column over here and see what we are. Look at this already. So we've got a few from today that are showing up. And there's, I think, my tweet from the other night. So that's a way to kind of monitor the keywords. And you might type instructional design, comma, job, our ID job, things like that, just different variations of it, and set up a couple columns or a single column with all those variations in there, and then you can scroll through and kind of keep an eye on what's being posted. So let's take a look at how we could also use the Twitter search to do this. I actually really like this web page. I actually have it bookmarked, and I'll quickly jump in here for searching quick terms. It's search.twitter.com, and the advanced search is what I like to work with. This has got a lot of extra features that make it easy. So let's say we're looking for instruction or e-learning or instructional design jobs, right? So I might type in, I definitely want to search for e-learning. But I don't necessarily need an exact phrase, but I might add for the phrase here, I might add job or position, or maybe even a role. And that means that any of these words plus this word e-learning will return a result. I don't want all of these results, these search terms. Most likely someone's not going to use all of those. Then I can search down here, and I can search for language. I can search for a specific person or tweeter if I knew that there was like a job agency or some other person posting those positions regularly. I can select a zip code for where I want to look for work. And attitudes, I always like that, but most people don't include a smiley or unhappy face in the posting. And you can choose how many links, results per page, probably do about 25, and click search. So check this out, quite a few results right here in the last, 17, 24 hours. So that's just a couple ways that you can use Twitter and TweetDeck to keep an eye on upcoming positions in our industry.